How to create Rediffmail account. So if you want to create a Rediffmail account, then first you need to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and search for Rediffmail. Once you've searched, here you will have welcome to Rediffmail. Click on the first search. And here you can go for create a new account, which is on the right side of your page. Click on create a new account. And from here you can create your Rediffmail account. So if you want to create your account, then enter your first name and your last name, basically your full name, and then you need to choose a Rediffmail ID. And once you've chosen, now click on check availability, and if it's available, then good for you. And then go for password, and you need to create your password, and then again go for retype password, and again retype your password, and then go for alternate email address and enter your alternative email address, and go for your mobile number, choose your country code, and then enter your mobile number. And you can enter your date of birth by choosing your day, your month, and the year, and then choose your gender and choose your country by clicking on the drop down bar. And here you need to enter the text, which you can see here. And once you've entered the text, click on create my account. And once you click on create my account, your account will be created. So that's it. That's how you create your Rediffmail account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.